Botany Plant Project by Michael Prospita and Raul Hernandez. Experimental design. 2 cubes of rock wool containing 4 seeds of lettuce grown in a tower garden, A22 and A23. 2 clay pots outside containing 4 seeds of lettuce in each, Kanye and West. Our claim was that the lettuce seeds planted in the tower garden would grow faster and better than the ones grown outside in the pots. Those consisted of 16 lettuce seeds, 4 for each, gardening soil from Home Depot, 2 clay pots, 2 rock wool cubes, and water to help the plant grow. Steps in our experiment were to plant the seeds into the rock wool cubes and the soil in the pots, and water the pot seeds with 450 milligrams of water every class. And lastly, we observed. Our intended outcome for our experiment was for all of the seeds to grow and flourish into harvestable lettuce. However, the actual outcome was that only the seeds grown in the tower garden were successfully grown. The ones outside barely grew and possibly died. Reasons for the lack of growth for our outside plants were possibly that they didn't get enough water, they got too much water, there weren't enough seeds, or the soil became infertile. Experiment. We learned that results may not always turn out how you want them to. We also think we could have cared for the outside plants more. Ways to improve our experiment. We believe that we could have improved upon our experiment by nurturing our plants more and by originally giving it more seeds to grow with in the first place. Here is our data table for the seeds grown inside the tower garden. Data table, we recorded many different things that had to do with the experiment. These include how many days the plant had been growing, how much it had grown, the status of the plant, the color of the plant, the seeds, the location, and the total amount of days. The seeds inside the tower garden, we actually had to replant them because the tower had lost power and our plants had died due to no light or water. This is our data table for the plants that were grown outside. Here we recorded similar aspects of the experiment as we did in the other data table, like how many days it had been growing, how much it had grown, the status of the plant, the color of the plant, seeds, location, name, and total days. Unlike the plants in the tower garden, however, our outside plants actually did not grow that much, and they changed colors quite often, as they went from a more light green color to a brown and reddish color. The plants inside and the plants outside grew very differently. Here are some pictures of our plants over time.